Good morning to you all. Today I will explain point mission sequence of operation and how it is achieved sequence of operation. Also I will explain. So what is sequence of operation? So any point we are operating from normal to reverse or reverse to normal, then the first sequence of operation will be detection contacts break or open. So detection contacts open, then point will operate, point will unlock. This is the second sequence is unlocking the point. Third sequence is operation of the point. Fourth sequence relocking the point. Fifth sequence is detection contact make. So any operation, this is the 5 sequence. First detection contact break, open, point unlocking condition, point will operate, then relocking the point, then detection contact will make. So this sequence of operation is achieved in point mission by transmission assembly. So by using transmission assembly, pressure gas is also part of the transmission assembly. So how it is achieved? I will show, I will do the demo here. So how the sequence of operation is achieved by using this transmission assembly. Here I will show and I will explain each part and how it will be achieved. Now you see here, these are the parts of the transmission assembly. So this part, this we call it as a drive disc. Drive disc, this is the part drive disc. So drive disc, it is having this the drive disc inside portion. 2 studs are there. Inside this is one notch is provided. One shaft is there here, shaft. Okay. This drive disc outside projection is given here. This drive disc movement can be allowed only up to 270 degrees only. It is achieved by this using this drive disc outside projection. So inside also one notch is provided. So what is the purpose of this notch? We will explain later. And the other side, you can see drive disc. This is pinion will be there and locking segment. So these two pinion and locking segment you can see both are opposite side. That means the angle between these two will be 180 degrees. Why it is provided 180 degrees also? During operation I will show. To get the second, third, fourth sequence, to get the second, third, fourth sequence, this pinion and locking segment is provided opposite direction, opposite position. That means 180 degrees angle. Now we will see this is the drive disc. So drive disc I am keeping here. From your side you can see drive disc. Then coming to the next one is this is the gear rim, and inside will be the slip rim will be there inside. Slip rim with spring loaded. So this part we call it as a friction clutch. So in transmission assembly this part we call it as a friction clutch. Slip rim with the spring loaded. Spring tension में ये slip rim gear rim को पकड़ के रहता है. So this slip rim it is having 2 pulls. 2 levers are there. These two levers are engaged in the drive disc in this position. 2 levers these are engaged in this position, drive disc position. So drive disc में भी यहाँ एक slot दिया है gap. ये gap में ये दोनों slot, ये दोनों lever यहाँ engage हो रहा है. दोनों यहाँ engage हो गया. Now you can see, so the slackness will be there. This is the slackness. So slip rim, lock pulse, this is the levers. These are engaged in the notch given in the drive disc. Notch given in the drive disc. That means up to this, whenever the pinion is moved, motor is operation, motor pinion is engaged in the gear teeth. Gear teeth also it can move. Whenever the gear teeth is operating, you can see here, gear teeth is operating. This is the slack movement. ये slack movement में ये drive disc move नहीं हो रहा है. ये slack movement होने के बाद then only drive disc will move. Then only ये part चुप then only drive disc will move. So this is the slackness is given. Some slack movement is there. Then only drive disc will move. So now this is the movement. Drive disc will move, rotate like this. Now here one more disc is there. This is we call it as a lift out disc. So lift out disc means contact assembly top roller is falling here. So whenever it is lift out disc is moving, top roller will lift like this. So top roller will lift like this. Slowly ये top roller को lift करेगा. Then it will break the detection contact. Detection contact को open कर रहा है. So a top side outside projection this is given to lift the top roller. That means this is the first disc will operate in point operation, lift out disc. The last disc also operate is the lift out disc. रोलर टॉप रोलर को धीरे धीरे ऐसा नीचे या नाच में गिराएगा. That means the first and last disc in the during operation of the lift out disc. ये लिफ्ट कर रहा है, टॉप रोलर को लिफ्ट कर रहा है and detection contact break कर रहा है. Now how it is lifting the top roller you can see here. Inside periphery one notch is given. So this notch is given to accommodate this friction clutch. These levers accommodate करने के लिए ये notch दिया है. That means देखिए पहले ड्राइव डिस्क में तो ये गैप है, स्लैगनेस इज देयर, बट दिस लिफ्ट आउट डिस्क देयर इज नो गैप, एग्जैक्टली नाच में अकोमोडेट हो गया. दैट मीन्स व्हेन एवर द गियर रिम इज मूविंग, गियर रिम के साथ लिफ्ट आउट डिस्क भी ऑपरेट हो रहा है. विथ गियर रिम ओनली द लिफ्ट आउट डिस्क विल बी ऑपरेटेड. व्हेन एवर द लिफ्ट आउट डिस्क इज ऑपरेटेड इट विल लिफ्ट द टॉप रोलर. टॉप रोलर लिफ्ट करेगा, डिटेक्शन कॉन्टैक्ट को ब्रेक करेगा. दैट मीन्स द फर्स्ट sequence of operation is achieved with the lift out disc. First sequence of operation is achieved with the lift out disc. Last sequence of operation also achieved with the lift out disc only. That means the sequence of operation first and last disc is lift out disc. So detection contact break and open it is achieved here. Okay. Now here two studs are given here. Here two studs are given to accommodate this is the non-trailable block. It will be accommodated here two studs. Why this non-trailable block is provided? That's why our point machines are we call it as a non-trailable block. Okay. So why it is required studs means one more disc is there. This is the control disc. Control disc only top side notch is there to keep the roller. It cannot be lifted. That means after completion of point operation, roller will fall here, normal position and reverse position. And detection contact is make condition. It cannot lift like this. This is the outside periphery notch is given to accommodate the top roller of the contact assembly. Now inside you can see only two studs are given. So these two studs, that means how the disc will be rotated. The disc will be rotated. How it can be given? There is no connection. The connection is given through this rivets. Non-trailable block we are provided in the rivets are on the drive disc and rivets are on the control disc. That means here this non-trailable block will give connectivity between drive disc and control disc. ये drive disc and control disc में ये connectivity ऐसा दे रहा है. Okay, that means whenever the drive disc is moving, this control disc also it is moving. Okay, now stop. Now we will see physically we will operate the point machine and how we are achieving the sequence of operation also I will show here. Please come here, point machine. Now here I am showing you this is the top roller and inside this is the disc, lift out disc is there, lift out disc here and this is the control disc, lift out disc and control disc, top roller. Here you can see the detection contacts also make condition. Now during operation the first sequence is detection contact break. How the detection contacts are breaking you can see here. First the disc will move, pinion move करने के बाद pinion के साथ gear rim move हो रहा है. Gear rim once the gear rim is moved, this lift out disc will move. Lift out disc move हो रहा है. You can see the physically slowly operate. You can see lift out disc is moving here. Top roller is lifting here. Detection contacts also it is breaking. Back, go back, and one more time you can observe here. The first sequence of operation is achieved here. Okay, first sequence of operation is achieved here by observing here. Now you can see operate. Lift out disc is moving with gear rim. So lift out disc top roller को lift कर रहा है. Detection contact make break हो रहा है. Open, detection contact open. Okay, go back. One more time you can observe here how the detection contacts are breaking here you can see. Now you can see here, go back slowly. So lift out disc is operating, then detection contacts are breaking. Detection contacts are breaking. Now you see this is the first sequence is completed. Then we are going for the second sequence of operation. That means already locking segment it is in the notch. Locking segment it is in the notch. Okay. That means locking segment and pinion both are opposite side. You can see here locking segment is in the notch means the pinion is the bottom side. It is not engaged. Don't operate. It is not engaged. Okay. Stop it. Now you see locking segment is here means you can see the gear rack. The pinion is not engaged here. That means both are provided in the opposite side 180 degrees angle. Why? Because during the second sequence of operation is locking segment will unlock. ये अनलॉक करना है. At that time point cannot be operated. Point operate करना चाहिए तो this teeth will engage in the rack. Okay, throw bar में ये teeth engage होना चाहिए. You can see here teeth is not engaged here. Now I am operating the point. First unlock. The second sequence is unlocking. Second sequence is unlocking the point. Now you can see second sequence unlocking means pinion slowly it is engaged in the slowly. Now the rack is not moving. This rack is not moving. Only second sequence of operation locking segment it is unlocking the point. Okay. Then when it is engaged. Okay. So locking segment is coming outside. Then the rack is operating. So that is the reason locking segment and pinion both are provided in 180 degrees angle to get the second sequence. Now the third sequence is going on. Point is setting other position. Speed up it. Point setting is other position. That means you can see pinion is engaged in the rack. The rack may engage हो गया. Then locking segment it is coming other side to lock the point. So this is the third sequence point is operating. Third sequence point is operating. This the third sequence is going on. Point is operating. This will set other position. Now you can see here locking segment it is coming slowly top side. Pinion it is going slowly downside. So slowly downside. Okay. Still the point is operating. Tongue rail is moving. Okay. Now here you can see housing is completed. Then the fourth sequence locking segment entering into the notch given in the throw bar. That means pinion is going down. This is the sequence. Then here slowly the top roller will be dropped here. Then fifth sequence. Then here this detection contacts will make. Pause. So locking segment slowly it is entering into the notch. Okay, point operation stop. Okay, third sequence stopped. Fourth sequence is going on. Now you can see here. Here you can see. So slowly lift out disc, inside disc, lift out disc is slowly moving. The roller is falling and the detection contacts are make condition. Detection contacts are make condition. So this is the sequence of operation we are achieving by using this transmission assembly.